Hello everyone. We, the students of IMI New Delhi, here to present the strategic analysis on the food delivery industry in India. The online food delivery market in India is growing in tandem with evolving lifestyle pattern and eating habits of Indians. Hectic work schedule and rise in disposable incomes have popularized food delivery, especially in urban areas. To analyze the industry, we use pestle tools. So the first factor is the political factor. The Digital Indian campaign that was recently launched by the country's Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi is more likely to allow the companies to get more internet penetration in India. The government puts more focus on the ease of doing businesses in the country because it encourages foreign direct investments. The government puts emphasis on skill development among the youths who will eventually help many people with skills and knowledge. Now, the next factor is the economic factor. The rise in service prices after the country announced a service tax from 12.36% to 14%. Furthermore, the industry is initiating cashless transactions aimed at creating jobs in different countries. Lastly, the industry attracts several investments as well as funding from the government and foreign investments, all of which are good for the country's economy. So the next factor is the socio-cultural. The changing lifestyle pattern and income levels of Indian working population is advantageous to the food delivery industry. This is because many young people like to eat out, with this category attracting about 30% in 2012. Now moving towards the technological factor, using technology in designing a beautiful user interface that makes it easier for the user to browse. Technology also makes companies have a good business model that keeps the customers' information and more engaging. In environmental factor, achieving business sustainability is dependent on how the industry addresses the ecological requirements. Being a service industry, there are no significant environment impact from the food delivery industry. So the last is the legal factor. The industry is required by the Indian law to comply with all the regulations that control technological firms in country.
The first company that we have chosen for our analysis is Zomato. Zomato is the pioneer of the industry in India. Zomato has proven to be a phenomenal foodie platform, providing a convenient way to review restaurants and give feedbacks. The platform is even capable of giving insightful analytics for the restaurants to help root their business for exponential growth. Founded by Steve Easterbrook in the year 2008, Zomato is headquartered in Gurgaon, Haryana, with more than 5,000 number of employees. It is now listed in over 24 countries. Talking about the timeline of Zomato, it was launched in 2008 as Foodie. It raised its angel investment during the period of 2008 to 10 and rebranded itself as what we know today as Zomato. During the years 2012 to 14, it went international with its first expansion to UAE. It acquired many little companies during this time. During the period 2015 to 17, Zomato launched its famous membership program known as the Zomato Gold. It kept acquiring some small companies in this period as well. In 2018, Zomato launched two other famous programs known as Hyperpure and Food at Work. In 2019, it launched the very famous food festival known as Zomaland. Presently, Zomato recently acquired Uber Eats, another very famous food delivery app from Uber. Recently, Zomato also launched contactless dining. Moving forward, there are three customer segments of Zomato: users, local businesses, and reviewers. Users get into the Zomato app to locate restaurants and order food. Zomato then partners with these local businesses, majorly restaurants, who need to promote themselves and present their food to be ordered by those users by listing their menus on Zomato. Another very famous side of Zomato is the reviewing part. Reviews are ranked on the basis of number of reviews and the pictures that they have taken and then uploaded on Zomato. Moving forward, any business model is incomplete without analyzing the key activities of the company. Although Zomato's primary purpose was to make restaurant hunting exceptionally easy and convenient, it has also various key activities which are listed as follows. Zomato provides local restaurant search service to the users. It also provides information, includes data about the food items, contact info, and addresses of the restaurants. Zomato has an enormous user database which it uses for its advertisements. Zomato initiates a lot of activities to improve its customers' experience and keep updating its features as per the trends. Zomato maintains its brand image by providing a sense of communities for foodies and facilitating people the exact information about what to eat and where to eat. Zomato also keeps expanding and diversifying their service offerings. Zomato was not a delivery service at the beginning, but eventually it launched its delivery and subscription feature as well. Zomato offers data consultancy services to many eateries and new restaurants in town. Zomato also provides service for restaurants to develop their own app through a platform known as Plug and Play through Zomato White Label. Moving forward and talking about the Zomato strategy, it thrives on innovation and agility. It has been able to constantly innovate across various verticals and has ensured to build on the advantage that they have created. Zomato has always been agile in adapting to current scenarios. The Zomato Gold, which is an exclusive membership loyalty program that gives customers an exclusive dine out and drinking membership with buy one get one offer. It today has more than 6 lakh customers. The Zomaland, which was an experience driven food festival, uh, has also been very beneficial for Zomato. A very good brand name is a must when it comes to surviving in the industry, and Zomato has been effectively creating a brand name that resonates with trust and convenience. There has been the number of entrants in the food market like Food Panda and Uber Eats, but they will have to work extensively on their brand value in order to be able to compete with Zomato. The biggest advantage Zomato has over its customers is its beautifully designed user interface. It is attractive and very easy to browse, and this has helped Zomato create a pinpoint of differentiation from its competitors. Zomato gives a lot of focus and effort in creating a convincing UI for its customers. Zomato has amazingly used data science and been able to crave its way for success. Zomato has been able to obtain a competitive edge because it is extremely data driven. It has been able to drive operational and commercial efficiencies like delivery time prediction, logistics optimization, ad delivery, and supply prioritization. Zomato aims to implement the concept of cloud kitchen, which will help a restaurant to expand its presence without incurring any fixed cost. The focus of Zomato on technology will help it stay ahead of its competition. In the early stages, the founders did not focus much on earning money, and when the website attained huge applause, they recognized the prospects associated with it. Zomato has 62.5 million registered customers. By observing these benefits, many restaurants have placed advertisements through which it can get a huge revenue. Zomato has also made it easy for their customers to pay on its app by launching digital cashless transactions. Hiring the correct persons is the primary reason for their company's startling growth. As the Zomato founders have always been explaining how much effort that they put in their recruiting processes.
I will be discussing the corporate strategy for Swiggy. The Swiggy has the competitive advantage in the marketing strategy, by which I mean the company means to control the whole worth of chain of client's experience, and this procedure has helped them in triumph in the marketplace. The Swiggy has done numerous things right, and one of them is brilliant spotlight on coordinations of the activity. The company planned and laid out a superb supply chain of the food products that they were delivering so that they can tap the customers easily to increase their reach. The company from the earliest point realized that they have to break the market conveyance market to assemble a broad organization. Swiggy has constructed a sound and feasible action plan. Now I will be discussing business strategy done by Swiggy. Swiggy was a late participant in the food online industry as compared to others. They entered market in 2014. It has now become a $1 billion organization, and now Zomato is paying make up for the lost time. Swiggy has done its own developing armada of conveyance compliances, and the armada is developing with as of now 1.25 lakhs dynamic compliances. This permitted Swiggy to convey its guarantee to convey food within 30 minutes to the clients. Swiggy as of late dispatched the Swiggy Access Kitchen, which is prepared to possess kitchen, which is offered to cafe a compliances lease free access with every necessary pleasantry. Swiggy intends to give the eatery properties proprietors to enhance their kitchen regarding request anticipating. Imaginative methodologies like these are a significant purpose of separation for Swiggy. Swiggy, as we know, is a food tech association and has a middle collaboration stages. Swiggy vivaciously use advancement to help customers and restaurant outperformance organizations. All the conditions are poured down with the help of data assessment like traffic conditions, predict the arranging time, dinner depending upon the amount of solicitations, territory of the transport, etc.
Now I'll be performing competitive analysis on Swiggy. Now we look at the marketing strategy of Swiggy. The Indian food conveyance market is estimated at around $15 billion and is anticipated to have dramatic development. Swiggy now holds an exceptionally serious stake in market. Swiggy faces extreme rivalry from Zomato and other new companies like Foodpanda and Fasos. Uber Eats has likewise been catching Swiggy's piece of pie by giving less expensive and quality food to the cost cognizant Indian clients. In Mumbai and Bangalore, Google has likewise dispatched its conveyance application called Aria. The competition is getting tougher for Swiggy. Both Swiggy and Zomato has been increasing its expenditure through incentives and discount as they battle for supremacy. The current burning of Swiggy is pegged at more than $16 million and Zomato at about 17 to $18 million. Swiggy needs to get more creative in its business model to stay ahead of its competition. Now, the promotion strategy of Swiggy. Swiggy is now a very reputed brand, and it's not just because of its quality services, but due to its excellent social media strategy. On Facebook itself, Swiggy has 174,000 followers, which are highest among the competitors. Every campaign of Swiggy is remarkable as they are extremely engaging and is very interactive. The posts are light, appealing, have good quality, and are humor based. Campaigns like Eat Your Veggies, Super Swiggy, Earn Your Cheat Meal conveyed the notion of eating healthy by using witty one liners and puns. Swiggy has also used influencers to market its services. Swiggy also proves the number of discounts, rewards, and recognition to create brand loyalty among the customers. Now we will do the customer analysis for Swiggy. Swiggy has two significant clients, the cafes from which it gathers commission and the individuals who request food through the application. The fundamental client sections are the individuals who would prefer not to go out to diners and eateries to purchase food. Individuals who need to arrange food through the app and need it conveniently delivered to their doorsteps. The new business extension is through some food supplies, hardware supplies, and rose and blessing shops.
Okay, guys, moving forward, I will be discussing critical success factors and key business metrics for Zomato and Swiggy. So, starting off with Zomato, Zomato had the first mover advantage. So, this is a type of marketing strategy which helps the firm to establish a good brand recognition and service loyalty before any other entrants. They also had strong content platform. Strong restaurant partnerships allowed them to provide great choices to the customers. Apart from these, they also had efficient employees, good rating mechanism and social platform, good sources of funding along with business development ideas from experienced investors. Now we will discuss the key business metrics for Zomato. So the key business metrics involves elements which gives us the overview of the business model, includes value proposition, key partners, key activities, channels, cost structures, revenue streams, customer segments, and key resources. Mainly, we will discuss the value proposition of the Zomato. It provides one-stop shop for food lovers. It allows restaurants to stand out amongst the competition. It bridges the gap between the customer and the restaurants with the powerful application. It provides rating and reviews to evaluate restaurants, and it also provides additional sources of income to delivery guys. Now we will discuss the factors of Swiggy. So the critical success factors for Swiggy include the sharp focus on logistics. Its founders invested building on proper logistics network with vast fleet of their own delivery boys and technology. They also built a complementary team. They got various experienced managers and software engineers from other successful firms like Myntra and also got hiring from top colleges. They caught the trend early. After the success of Bundle, which was the first startup that they started, they tried to incorporate Swiggy as Bundle Technologies Private Limited. They also ensured that the business is sustainable. Apart from the strong logistic structures, they provide the best customer experience by incorporating various payment methods and keeping the application minimalistic, which ensured high customer retention. Now we'll discuss the key business metrics for Swiggy. Also, the value proposition for the Swiggy are the food delivery with no restriction order policy, the efficient online payment system, the no minimum order requirement, and the different payment methods are the key values that are proposed by Swiggy, and they help them to stand out from the competition.
Okay, so I'm going to talk about how online food delivery is being impacted by technological disruptions. Online food delivery is going through many technological disruptions. Speed of delivery is an important factor for customer satisfaction. Customers are shifting to online food delivery platforms for convenience and speed. This trend is likely to grow in the future. The distance between the service provider and customer contact point is widening. The current technology allows customers to view menus of restaurants, place order, and get the food delivered right at their doorstep. The food delivery service can learn the preferences of customers and make customized recommendations. Also, the app offers filters that customers can apply to choose orders based on their dietary restrictions, delivery speed, and the price. Some of the online food delivery services have partnered with Google, enabling customers to initiate an order from their Google Map app. Customers are using mobile apps to order in advance and skip the queue. Domino's allows shoppers to order through Amazon Echo, Smartwatch, Text, and the Zero Clicks Required app. One of the examples is of Blue Apron, which is a New York-based ingredient and recipe meal kit service. It plans crops with suppliers as well as uses customer data for coordinating supply demand. Additionally, the company designs its packaging to keep the ingredients fresh. The packaging is altered based on the season and the location of the customer. Other innovations in food delivery include delivery trucks, where food is prepared while the truck moves towards the delivery location. The purpose is delivery time and ensure that the food is delivered hot. One of the most recent innovations in food delivery are robots and drones that pick up orders from the restaurants and deliver them to people who place the orders.
So what is the future of the industry? Online food industry is growing at a rapid pace, with the industry total to touch 8 billion mark by 2022 as per the latest BCG reports, growing at an annual rate of 25 to 30%. Variety of cuisines offered is the main reason for recurrent use of these apps, followed by good discounts and the inherent element of convenience. With a presence of over 500 plus cities in India, the industry is riding on growing customer confidence. Peer network advocacy and advertisements are drawing people to online food business. Customers are looking forward to more customized and easily accessible ordering at their fingertips, and hence more restaurants are underway into the online delivery business. With the advent of technology and access to smart devices like advanced smartphones, smartwatches, and with the evolution of technologies like AI, VR, there are a slew of platforms already utilizing for customers for hassle-free ordering and delivery. Major online delivery and food players have made the most of these technologies to stay in hunt for more customers and retain them. Food delivery companies are no longer limited by the labor force. They can considerably speed up delivery and lower their operational cost by making use of innovative techniques such as delivery via robots, drones, and even parachutes. Contactless deliveries have picked up pace during the pandemic, and autonomous delivery is expected to remain in the demand in the years to come. Food delivery and fast food giants are hence in a relentless quest for new ways to enhance delivery experience and boost customer satisfaction and maintain their patronage. With more technologically innovative means underway, future holds more possibilities for the major industry players. Thank you.